Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's episode is going to be called Struggle Bus, and you guys are going to take a ride with me, so buckle up. As much as I would love to take credit for doing this all on my own, I definitely had to work smart and not hard, so I called Larry a few times and he walked me through it. It's not every day that he asks me to change the belt on the Mustang, but when he does, he makes sure that we go from a small belt to an even smaller belt. The only thing on my mind in that moment was, oh my God, I have an hour to get this done, get my house clean, go get my kids, get back, cook dinner, and tighten the bolts. I was like, okay, I got this at first. And then it became 100 and F this outside. And I was like, okay, maybe I don't got this. Maybe it's got me. I started to get a little frustrated there towards the end. Like many of the men sliding in your girls' DMs, I could not get the right angle. So I apologize for all the headshots in advance. If struggle was a person, I'd be it. The fender is fine. It sounded a lot worse than it was. At the beginning of all of this, I had no idea that you could even untighten that little bolt at the top to get the adjuster to move up or down. The more you know, right? They're fine. The fenders are fine.
Get out.
You ever been 1B away from ending it all? That was me.
And you're back. I'm about to kill you. I tried to let you live. About to kill you. Gone.
It was about right here that I started to get a little spicy. Everything was kind of hitting me. The heat, the bugs, the frustration. It was getting me. Excuse my French in advance.
God damn it, fly.
The spice. I warned you. And to wrap it all up, I just want to say thank you to everybody for subscribing to the channel, viewing our page, viewing our videos, liking, commenting, reacting. We appreciate all of you so much. And to our female viewers, don't be scared to get out there in the garage with your man. Get your hands dirty. Try new things. I promise you'll enjoy it. Got it on there. Don't she look pretty? Just gotta tighten the bolts back up and we're good to go. But yeah, I probably won't be doing this one again. It's annoying. Made it work though.